Stop. Look at this photo carefully. What do you see? A quiet road, tall green trees on both sides, a person walking alone, beautiful light at the end. In the next few minutes, you will learn 12 English words from this one photo from Nepal. No textbook, no grammar rules, just this beautiful photo and your eyes. Ready? Let's go. First, look at the road in the center of the photo. This is a road. A road is a hard flat surface made for people and vehicles to travel on. But look carefully. This road is not straight. It curves gently. A road that curves and bends is called a winding road. Winding means curving and turning in different directions. Example: this is a beautiful winding road through the forest. Now look at the center of the road. Can you see the white marks? Those white marks are called lane marking. Lane marking are lines painted on the road to show drivers where to drive. These are dashed lines. Dash means short lines with space between them. Now look at the trees on the both sides of the road. These trees are very tall and look, their branches and leaves grow over the road. The branches of both sides meet above like a roof. When trees cover the sky above like this, we call it a canopy. Canopy is the covering of leaves and branches above you. Example: we walked under a beautiful green canopy of trees. This canopy makes a road look like a tunnel. A tunnel is a passage that is covered all the sides. This is not a real tunnel. It is natural tunnel made by trees. Natural means made by nature, not by people. Example: the trees created a natural tunnel over the winding road. Canopy, tunnel, natural. Say them slowly. Great. Now look at the trees and plants again. They are so green, so thick, so full of life. We say they look lush. Lush means very green, healthy and thick. And look how many trees there are. They are packed closely together. When many things are packed closely together, we say they are dense. Dense means thick and packed closely together. Example: the dense forest surrounds the winding road. All those leaves and branches together, we call them foliage. Foliage means all the leaves and greenery of plants. Example: the rich green foliage covers both sides of the road. New words: lush, dense, foliage. Can you use one in a sentence? Write in the comments. Now look far ahead at the end of the road. Can you see bright light? The trees open up and light comes through. This is a very famous English phrase. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. It means after a difficult time, something good is coming. Keep going. Example: you are doing so well. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. This photo gives a very peaceful and calm feeling. We say it feels serene. Serene means peaceful, calm and quiet. Example: this serene road through the forest is so beautiful. Serene, very peaceful, serene. Beautiful word. Now look at the sides of the road. The area beside the road where the road ends and in the ground begins, we call in the roadside. Example: small plants are growing on the roadside. The road itself is made of a hard black material. This material is called asphalt. Asphalt is the black material used to make roads. Example: the asphalt road winds through the dense forest. All the trees, plants and bushes around us, all the greenery, we call it vegetation. Vegetation means all the plants and greenery in an area. Example: the thick vegetation makes this road look magical. Roadside, asphalt, vegetation, 3 new words. Say them slowly. Wonderful, you did amazing today. Let us review all the 12 words. Road, surface for travel. Winding, curving and bending. Lane marking, white lines on the road. Canopy, tree cover above. Natural, made by nature. Lush, very green and healthy. Dense, thick and packed closely. Foliage, leaves and greenery. Serene, peaceful and calm. Roadside, side of the road. Asphalt, black road material. Vegetation, all plants in an area. There is a light in of the tunnel. Keep going, something good is coming. 12 words from one photo. That is amazing. Your challenge today. Look at this photo one more time. Write one sentence using any word from today. I will read every comment and reply to you every single one. If this lesson helped, please subscribe. Every week I share a new free English lesson from real Nepal photo or video. See you in next time. Thank you.